My name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make the desktop icon smaller using Windows 7. Here I am inside of Windows 7, and it's pretty easy to get to. You just right-click any place on the desktop, and we're going to come down to Personalize. And down here at the bottom left, we're going to click Display. And these are the three options that you've got for your icon sizes, really. And so you can see as you move from option to option that the windows and the icons begin to change. If you click Apply on one of these, it will notify you that you have to log off and log back on to see the results. So just keep that in mind when you're adjusting this. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to adjust the icon size in Windows 7. I'm Josiah Ray.